Good morning students. In today's class we are going to discuss in last class we have learned heating effect of electric current and their applications, and also what are the causes of excessive current flow and the electric bulb and electric fuse. Okay, and today's class we are going to discuss magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, in the magnetic effect of electric current we are also going to discuss what is electromagnet and uses of electromagnets, what is solenoid and uses of electromagnet and what is solenoid, and construction and working of electric bell. Okay, and first we are going to see what is magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, when the electric current the current carrying wire behaves like a magnet and produce magnetic field around it. When electric circuit la electric current flow ஆகும்போது and the current carrying wire is also behaves like a magnet and produce magnetic field around it. Okay, this is called magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, the electric current it produce the circuit, it has an electric current flow through it, and also it produce the electric magnet, and also it produce like the current carrying wire behaves like a magnet, and also it produce magnetic field around it. Okay, this is first noticed by Hans Christian Ørsted, was the first person who noticed the deflection of compass needle every time the current was passed through them. Okay, who noticed? Danish scientist Hans Christian Ørsted. Okay, he was the first person to notice the deflection of compass needle every time the current was passed through them. Okay, here the battery and the compass needle and switch. This is a switch symbol. Switch is off and it is north pole and south pole. This is a battery. It's a current carrying wire. Okay, Okay, this is simple circuit. The compass there is no current flow, so the compass needle did not get any deflection. Okay, adula endha deflection illa ena idukku vandu current flow agala. But here this circuit, here the switch is on position, here switch is off position, here the switch is on position. Switch is on position. The arrow indicates the current flows through the circuit, and here the compass needle get deflects. Okay, here there is no current flow, so the compass needle la vandu endha deflection illa. Here the current flow agudu, switch is on position, compass needle get deflects. Okay, compass needle gets deflects. Okay, this is a magnetic compass. It always shows north and south direction. எந்த கரண்ட் ஃப்ளோ ஆகும் இல்லாத போது அந்த காம்பஸ் நீடில் நார்த் சவுத் டைரக்ஷன் வந்து காட்டும், and current flow ஆகும்போது it get deflected. Okay, the compass needle get deflected. Okay, and finally conclusion, the deflection of compass showed that the current carrying wire behaves like a magnet. Okay, the current carrying wire behaves like a magnet and also it produce magnetic field. Okay, the current carrying wire behaves like a magnet, and also produce magnetic field. Magnetic field produce ஆகுறனால தான் அந்த current carrying wire வந்து behaves like a magnet மாதிரி behave ஆகுறனால தான் நமக்கு வந்து இந்த magnetic compassல it get deflection வந்து ஏற்படுது. Okay, and what is magnetic effect of electric current? When electric current flows to the circuit and the current carrying wire behaves like a magnet. This is the example. The current carrying wire behaves like a magnet and also it produce magnetic field around it, so the magnetic compass get deflected because the current flows through the circuit, the wire behaves like a magnet. Okay, and also magnetic field produce around it. Okay, and The reflection of the complex showed that the current carrying wire behaves like a magnet and produce magnetic field. Okay. Now clearly understand what is magnetic effect of electric current. It is first noticed by Hans Christian Ørsted. By his through this activity, he noticed that the deflection of compass needle every time the current was passed through them. Every time current pass agumbodhu the compass needle gets deflected. Okay. So the magnetic field in the connecting wires, the wire act like behaves like a magnet and also produce magnetic field around it. Okay. Next, we are going to see what is solenoid. The cylindrical coil of wire is called solenoid. When the current passes through it, it becomes a bar magnet. Okay. For example, take a pen and make a copper wire 20 to 30 turns. ஒரு பென் எடுத்து அதுக்கு மேலே காப்பர் வயரை வந்து இந்த மாதிரி சுற்றி வச்சுட்டோம்னா அதுதான் என்ன சொல்கிறோம், solenoid. Okay. And the cylindrical coil of the wire, is called solenoid. When the current passes through it, it behaves like a bar magnet. Okay. Here battery, the circuit, simple circuit, battery switch on, the current flows through the solenoid, that is coil of insulated copper wire. This is a coil of insulated copper wire. The number of turns in the insulated copper wires, 20 to 25 to 30 turns mari potona adha in the solenoid. And here the magnetic compass it gets deflected. Okay. நம்ம the magnetic compass வந்து பக்கத்துல கொண்டு வரும்போது it gets deflected. Okay. So இதுல இருந்து என்ன தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம்னா இந்த coil அலோனா அந்த வயர் இருக்கிறத விட நிறைய டர்ன்ஸாக இருக்கிறதுல வந்து கரண்ட் ஃப்ளோ வந்து அதிகமாக இருக்கும் and also deflectionும் அதிகமாக இருக்கும். Okay. And also next, what is electromagnet? The electromagnet produce by passing the electric current through a coil of insulated wound around the soft iron rod is called electromagnet. Thus a magnet that produced by passing an electric current through a coil of insulated wound around the soft iron bar. ஒரு soft iron bar எடுத்திருக்காங்க, அதில் வந்து insulated copper wire வந்து அதில் இது பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. That is insulated coil of insulated copper wire here it is a battery. ஒரு iron rodல வந்து wire வந்து அதில் சுற்றி இது பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. battery switch on position, Okay. The current flows through the circuit. The iron rod acts like a magnet. Okay. This is called the electric current flows through the circuit. Current வந்து அதில் flow ஆகுறதுனால the normal iron rod is act like a magnet. Okay. This is called electromagnet. Normal iron rod is act like a magnet. Okay. Thus a magnet that electromagnet is thus a magnet produced by passing an electric current through a coil. Of insulated wire wound around the soft iron rod. Soft iron rod சுத்தி insulated wire வந்து wound பண்ணிருக்கோம். wound around the soft iron rod. The iron rod behaves like a magnet. Okay. This is called electromagnet. Okay. Next, strength of the electromagnet can be increased by how we increase the strength of the electromagnet. Okay. First is increasing the number of the turn in coil. Okay. We just increasing the number of turns in the coil. Number of turns na இதே மாதிரி நிறைய சுற்றி 25 to 30 turns வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணணும். அப்போனா என்ன ஆகும், the strength of the electromagnet also increased. Okay. And next, increasing the current passing through the coil. that means solenoid increasing the current. அந்த solenoid வழியா current வந்து pass ஆகுது நம்ம increase பண்ணணும். அப்பனா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், the strength of the electromagnet get increases. Okay, what is solenoid? Solenoid என்னது, number of turns of the insulated copper wire தான் என்ன சொல்றோம், solenoid சொல்றோம். And the cylindrical coil of wire is called solenoid. When the current passes through it, it behaves like a bar magnet. Okay, here switch on position, the solenoid number of insulated coil of insulated copper wire is connected through battery and switch. Now the switch is on position, the current flows to the circuit, the compass needle get deflected. Okay, and the coil of the wire, the solenoid வந்து acts like a bar magnet. Okay, the number of turns and the solenoid acts like a bar magnet. What is the electromagnet? Thus a magnet produced by passing an electric current through a coil. ஒரு bar magnet எடுத்திருக்கோம், அதில் வந்து coil of the wire வந்து on பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம், and also it connected to the battery and switch. Now the switch is on position, the current flows through the circuit, and the soft iron rod is act like a magnet. Okay, this is called electromagnet. Next, how will you increase the strength of the electromagnet? By increasing the coil of the wire and also increasing the current passing through the coil. Okay, these are the two factors to increasing the strength of the electromagnet. Okay, next, advantage of the electromagnet. Okay, what are the uses of the electromagnet? When will we use the electromagnets? Electromagnets are nowadays used in uses of, next you see you will see uses of electromagnets. The electromagnet is used in motors, that drive fans, mixie and washing machines, etc. Motors that drives mixie, fan and washing machine. Mixie, fan and washing machine. And next use is cranes, which strong electromagnet are used to lift heavy load like, எங்க யூஸ் பண்றாங்க, cranesல the strong electromagnet used to lift heavy load like iron object, for loading and unloading purpose. For loading and unloading purpose. And unloading objects, unloading purpose. And electromagnet is used to separate and magnetic materials, and it is used to, electromagnets are also used to separate, to separate magnetic materials like iron, steel, used to separate magnetic materials. What are the uses of electromagnets? Electromagnets are used in motors that drives the mixie, fan, washing machine and cranes. Cranes, it has strong electromagnet used to lift the heavy objects ஒரு cranesல நம்ம வந்து use to lift the heavy objects lift பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். and also iron object for loading and uploading purpose. okay, அந்த purpose காண்டி யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். and next use is the electromagnet is used to separate the magnetic material. The electromagnet is used to separate the magnetic materials from the junkyard. ஒரு junkyardல வந்து magnetic material மட்டும் separate பண்ணுறதுக்கு என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம்? electromagnets. okay, and also it is used in electric bells. electric bells, electromagnets are used in electric bells, loudspeaker, electric motors. By doctor they used to remove the iron splitters from ice. Used to remove iron splitter, iron splinters from ice. These are the practical application of electromagnet. okay, the practical application of electromagnet used in motors that drives the mixer, washing machine and also fan and cranes. The strong electromagnets are used to heavy loads like iron objects for loading and unloading purposes and used to separate the magnetic materials from the junkyards. okay, and also used in electric bells, loudspeaker, electric motors and also used in by doctors used to remove the eye splinters. நம்ம கண்ணில் ஏதாவது ஐ ஸ்ப்ளிண்டர்ஸ் ஏதாவது விழுந்துருந்துச்சுன்னா அதை வந்து யூஸிங் எலக்ட்ரோமேக்னெட்டை வச்சு ரிமூவ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகே, தீஸ் ஆர் தி ப்ராக்டிக்கல் அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் ஆஃப் electromagnet and also uses of the electromagnets. okay, and also MRI scanலையும் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. MRI scan. okay, these are the application of electromagnet. Next we are going to see construction and working of electric bell. okay, whenever someone enter your house he or she rings the bells to inform us. okay, bell அடிக்கும். நம்ம யாரா வீட்டுக்கு வந்தாங்கன்னா bell அடிப்பாங்க, அவங்க வந்திருக்காங்க அப்படின்ட்டு. and how does the bell rings? In this section we are going to see how does the bell the construction bell rings and the what are the construction and working of the electric bell. First we see the construction of electric bell. okay, the electric bell consists of two soft iron rods mounted on non-metallic strip. It consists of two soft iron rod. okay, this is the pictorial diagram of electric bell. okay, this is circuit of electric bell and the connecting wire is wound like a coil on the rods wherever which works on as an electromagnets. okay, the connecting wire is wound, the connecting wire is wound at the soft iron rod. Here the soft iron rod, the connecting wire வந்து நம்ம அதில் wound பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கோம். so it's act as a electromagnet. okay, and next one end of the wire is connected to the screw through a switch. One end of the wire is connected, one end of the wire is connected to through this switch and switch. okay, one end of the wire is connected to the contact screw. This is a contact screw. ஒரு end வந்து contact screw வரைக்கு கனெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் through the switch. அதுக்கெல்லாம் switchும் பேட்டரியும் இருக்குது. okay, and the other end of the connector is lower end of the hamper. The other end is connected to the other end of the wire is connected to the lower end of the hamper. okay, this is the hamper. hamper na அந்த honk money அந்த இது அடிக்கலாம், அதுதான் hamper. okay, this is hamper. The one end of the wire, one end is connected to through the contact screw, through the contact screw and through switch and battery valiya or end edukku connect pannirukku contact screw ku. The another one end of the wire is connected through the hamper, okay, okay. The armature is rest on the contact screw. This is the armature, this is rest on the contact screw valiya connect panni vechirukom. The metallic hong placed in front of the hamper, this is the metallic hong. Metal la enna agum nalla sound produce பண்ணும், அதனால ஒரு metallic hong வச்சிருக்காங்க. It is in front of the hamper. The conch is not connected anywhere in the circuit. The honk எதுலயே connect பண்ணிருக்காங்களோ இந்த சர்க்யூட்ல இல்ல, okay. And this is the construction of electric bell. The electric bell consists of two soft iron rods mounted on the non-metallic strip. The connecting wire is wound like a coil on the rods, which works as an electromagnet. Because the wire is mounted on the soft iron rod, so it is behaves as a magnet. It is works as a electromagnet. And one end of the wire is connected through screw, connected to contact screw through switch valiya one end connect panni இன்னொரு end என்ன connect பண்ணிருக்கோம், it is connected through the hamper. This is a hamper. And the armature, this is called armature, okay. This is called armature. The armature is rest on the contact screw. This is a contact screw, okay. This is a contact screw. The armature is rest on the contact screw. The metallic hong placed in front of the hamper. The metallic hong placed in front of the hamper, and the honk is not at all connected anywhere in the circuit, okay. The honk is not connected anywhere in this circuit, okay. This is the construction of electric bell, okay. Next, let's see the working of electric bell, okay. When the switch is on position, the current starts flowing it. Switch on பண்ணும்போது current வந்து flow ஆகும், and the soft iron rod behaves like a electromagnet, and they attract the armature towards themselves, okay. It attracts the armature towards themselves, okay. The soft iron rod behaves like an electromagnet. It attracts the armature, this is armature towards themselves, and the two things happen. One is the armature move towards the conch. The armature move towards the conch and produce sound. The another one is the connection between the armature and contact screw is break, okay. The connection between the armature and contact screw is break, okay. First, what is the switch is on position? The current flows through the circuit. The soft iron rod behaves like an electromagnet, and it attracts the armature. The armature move towards the two things happen. One is the armature move towards the honk and it produce sound. The another one is the connection between the armature and contact screw is the connection between the armature and contact screw, it breaks, okay. Then next, it develops the gaps in the circuit and stop the current flowing. It develops the gap in the circuit and stop current flowing. Then we switch off the then நம்ம switch off பண்ணிட்டோம்னா என்ன ஆகும்னா சர்க்யூட்ல உள்ள கரண்ட் வந்து ஃப்ளோ ஆகாது. So the soft iron rod with the coil stops behave like அது வந்து magnet soft iron rod வந்து behave ஆகாது. ஏன்னா current flow ஆனாதான் அது வந்து iron rod வந்து it's behaves like a electromagnet. But நம்ம switch off பண்ணிட்டோம் current flow ஆகல அப்படின்னா the soft iron rod stop behaves like a electromagnet. The armature return its original position, okay. The armature return its original position. Then you repeat the process repeat when the switch is on position, the process repeat again, okay. First, working of the electric bulb, switch it on position. Switch on பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகும்னா switch on பண்ணும்போது current வந்து flow ஆகும். So the soft iron rod சுத்தி நம்ம wire வந்து coil on பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். So it is behaves as a electromagnet. These electromagnets attract to the armature, and the armature is attracted to the electromagnet. So the armature is moved towards the hamper is moved towards the horn and it produces sound, and when the switch off the current flow is stop, current flow ஆகிறது வந்து stop ஆயிரும், and also soft iron rod act stop behaving like a magnet and the armature returns its original position. The process is repeat when the switch is on position, the process is repeat again. Okay, this is the working of electric bell. Okay, in today's class what we have learned is magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, magnetic effect of electric current, what is solenoid, what is electromagnet, and what are the applications of electromagnet, and the working and construction and working of electric bell. Okay, and here I show the simple circuit. So this is a simple series circuit. The bulbs are connected in series manner, one switch and the battery is connected. When switch is on, the light the bulb on the glows. This is a simple series circuit. Okay, simple series circuit. The bulbs are connected in series manner, simple circuit. It has switch, battery and bulb. Okay, when switch is off it stops glow, and switch is on, the bulb glows. Okay, it's a series connection. Okay, simple circuit. Okay, thank you students. I hope you all must have understood today's topic, what is magnetic effect and the application of electromagnet, and what is solenoid, and what is solenoid and the construction working of electromagnet. Thank you students.